Siddharamaiah resigns as Karnataka Chief Minister. D.K. Shivakumar likely to take over. Respectable Karnataka Chief Minister Siddharamaiah has officially resigned from the chief ministerial post and most probably paved the way for the Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar for the next Chief Minister of the state. This marks the significant shift in the Karnataka state politics and will shape the power structure in the state. Siddharamaiah submits resignation. Current Chief Siddharamaiah submitted his resignation to the Karnataka Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot. As the governor of the state was not present in the Bengaluru, the resignation letter was handed over to the special secretary to the governor Prabhu Shankar. After submitting his resignation, Siddharamaiah has confirmed the development publicly. He stated that I have tendered my resignation from the chief minister's post and I am making way for the next CM. This announcement was formally initiated the leadership transition in Karnataka. Congress High Demand directed transition. According to Siddharamaiah, the Congress leadership had informed him 2 days earlier about his planned transition. He also said that he had always maintained that he would resign whenever directed by the party high command. The move highlights the central leadership's active role to managing political leadership changes within Congress-ruled states. The decision is believed to be a part of the broader internal arrangement within the Karnataka Congress unit. D.K. Shivakumar said to become next CM. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is widely expected to become the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. He is Congress party's big face and one of the strong leaders in the state. He is currently served as the Deputy Chief Minister and Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee KPCC President. He belongs to the influential Bokaliga community and it plays important role in the state politics. His elevation is also expected to strengthen party's positioning ahead of the state assembly election in 2028. Siddharamaiah's political journey. Siddharamaiah is one of the Karnataka's most experienced political leaders. He served as the Karnataka Chief Minister twice and leader of the opposition twice. During his resignation remarks, he thanked the Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge for giving him the opportunity to serve the people of Karnataka. Background of the leadership transition is speculation. Since the Congress formed the government in Karnataka in the May 2023, there had been continuous speculation regarding the possible rotational chief minister arrangement between the Siddharamaiah and D.K. Shivakumar. Although no formal agreement was publicly announced by part, but several reports of the leadership sharing formula had frequently surfaced in political discussion. Siddharamaiah's resignation is now seen as the implementation of that scenario.